How to change keyboard controls on your Roblox. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial we're going to see if it is possible for you to change the default keybinds on your Roblox. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. The very first thing you need to do is log into your Roblox on your web browser, and from here, as you can see on your home screen, there is no way for you to change the default keybinds. So what you have to do is you will just have to go ahead and click on the home button again, and you are gonna play any game right here. So for example, if I want to play this game, I'm just going to click right here and then open up my Roblox player. So once you get to your game, as you can see here, to access your keybinds, you are just going to have to press the escape button on the top left of your keyboard. And then this will pop up. Here on the people, you will see all of the players in this game. On the settings, you will find all of your game settings. Capture is to screen record your game, and if you want to report someone, you can do it from here. But if you get to help, you will find all of your keybinds. But here is no active way to change your keybinds, unfortunately. So you cannot change your keybinds as of now on the Roblox, but if Roblox brings out a new update where they make it able to change your keybinds, then we'll be the first one to let you know. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.